welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to show you guys my bullet journal. It finally came in the mail. We had a big storm here in the Northeast, so it was delayed a couple of days, but I'm really excited about it. And I've been watching a lot of videos on the best journal to get, and everyone seems to use the Leuchtturm 1917 dotted journal, and I got mine in the color berry because I didn't want, like, I wanted something fun, kind of girly-ish. Not really that girly, but I just wanted like a nice bright color. So I got this one, and you flip on the back. It basically just tells you what's in it, 29 numbered pages, a blank table of contents, 8 perforated and detachable sheets, expandable pocket, page marker, and elastic enclosure band, thread bound book so it opens flat, sticker for labeling and archiving, ink proof and acid proof paper. So it comes in a plastic, and I took the plastic off. Let's open it up, and we can take this guy off. Come on, get off. Ah, there we go. Just chuck it to the side. And then in the front here were just these 2 little cards just thanking you for your purchase, and then this little booklet here. Alright, so now inside it has for your name and address. I don't need people knowing where I live, so I'm gonna just put my email address just in case this gets lost. You have a blank page here, and then you have a content page, so you can number where you have stuff in here, so you can find it very easily. Index, table of contents, whatever the hell you want to call it, same difference. And they've dedicated 3 pages for that, and then a blank page, and then the first dotted page is numbered number 1, and all of the pages are numbered, which is great. I absolutely love that. In the back here is the back pocket, and then this is some stickers that they have enclosed. Don't know what I'll be using this for, but hey. And that's it for the journal itself. I'm just gonna toss this shit. I don't need it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the pens and stuff that I got. So first I got this Pen Hero. There's like 10 colors in here, 10 vivid colors. Fine line drawing pens. Oh, let me show you what the actual pen looks like. Duh. So really fine tip pen, which I guess will work, you know. I got fat hands, so hopefully I don't like press down too hard like when I'm writing in it and stuff. Just a trusty regular old pencil and eraser, scissors to cut stickers and shit. Everyone's talking about these Micron pens, so I just picked one up in the 05. If I can get this shit off, god damn it. All right, here we go. Another fine pen, just like this. I got a white gel pen from Mistakes because I know I'm gonna make them shits. And I got 2 Zig metallic writer colors. So this one is silver, and then this one is blue, and then I got this Zig memory system writer, and this color is English lavender. So it has a pen side and like a thicker marker type side to it. And then I also got these Pen Touch permanent paint markers, and I really only got it because I wanted the gold and silver. So instead of getting it individually, I just thought I would get a package. So it has gold, silver, copper, white, and black. Yeah, I think this will be pretty fun. And here I just have some old stickers that I had from Michaels. So I'm just gonna like cut this out and put 2018 on the front. And let me tell y'all, I am not an artist. No, not an artist. So I got me some stencils. Got me these stencils to create like headers and all that good stuff. And I got everything from Amazon, so I'll leave that in the description box for you guys so that you can buy them too if you want. And this one is pretty cool because it has like the Pinterest sign, the Facebook sign, Google Plus, has numbers, hearts, and things like that. So I can kind of get really creative with this, which is great. Yeah, so that's like the intro to the journal. I'm going to go ahead and set up for 2018 and show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, so here's my 2018 bullet journal setup. I added the numbers 2018, obviously, to the front with the stickers that I already had that I got from Michaels. Makes it look nice. I like it. So here on the inside, I already went ahead and penciled in how I want to set up my bullet journal. So we're going to go through and do that, and time lapse starts now. All right, so I basically finished setting up my bullet journal for 2018, and I did some stuff off camera just because I was like totally over it. So I'm just gonna flip through and show you guys what I did. So here's the key page. I put this little sticker there, and then I started filling out my index. Obviously left the other pages blank for now. Put this nice little quote here on the left, and on the right I just put a calendar because I wasn't going to sit in there and write that out. And then I have my 2018 goals page and my reading list to write down what I want to read this year and my goals, obviously. And this right here is my future log. I just got rid of that banner that I had up there and just put like a little sticker thingy. So that was the type of spread that I did for my future log. Figured I'd do it this way for now. And then I already started planning out my January spread, which I will show you guys in another video. So thanks for watching.